The QX80 stands out with its bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and imposing presence. From the chrome-accented wheels to the sculpted roofline, every detail screams luxury. And with optional towing packages, this SUV isn't just a showpiece, it's ready for work and adventure.
Step inside and you're greeted with a world of luxury. Leather-trimmed captain seats, heated and cooled, surround a spacious cabin. The dashboard features a fully digital display and infotainment touchscreen. Rear passengers enjoy entertainment screens, ample legroom, and premium sound. Under the hood, the 2025 QX80 packs a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering 450 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive, it handles city streets, highways, and towing like a champ. Multiple drive modes let you choose between sport, eco, snow, tow, or a fully customizable personal mode.
Infiniti doesn't just focus on power. The QX80 offers advanced driver assistance features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and collision warning. The cabin tech includes wireless charging, voice commands, and intuitive touchscreen controls.
Need to tow a boat or camper? The QX80 handles up to 8,500 pounds. Combine that with electronic air suspension, and you get smooth rides even under heavy load. Perfect for family vacations or weekend adventures. Pros: spacious interior, premium materials, strong towing, and advanced tech. Cons: fuel economy is lower than mid-size SUVs, and maintenance can be pricier. Overall, the QX80 is perfect for families who want luxury, space, and performance in one SUV. Imagine road trips, family outings, or arriving in style. It checks all the boxes.
If you're ready to upgrade your SUV game, the Infiniti QX80 might be the perfect fit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and SUV guides.
Looking for a full-size SUV that combines luxury, performance, and space? Meet the 2025 Infiniti QX80, the SUV designed for families, adventures, and those who crave style. Let's dive in.